how to change your YouTube video language. So you want to go ahead and find the YouTube video that you want to change the language of. So I'm going to go into Mr. Beast and click on his latest video like this one. And then once you're in the latest video on your mobile app, if you click on the video right here, there's going to be a settings toggle on the top right hand corner. And once you clicked on that, as you can see at the very bottom, it's going to say audio track, English original. You can click on the audio track button, and right over here there is a list of all the languages that has been dubbed, and you can choose. Let's say we want to choose Spanish, click on that, and then basically the video's audio is going to be dubbed in a Spanish voice, and then you can also go ahead and change it back to English, or maybe change it to a different language like Korean if you like, and you can also hear it. However, it's one thing to note is that this is only on some particular videos, like Mr. Beast decided to manually actually dub the audio of his videos, but some YouTube videos actually may not have it, such as this one. If we click on this video right over here, click on the settings app, and then right over here, as you can see, there is no audio. So it really depends on which video it is.